I'm learning a lot from Lynn. She's a great mentor, and working with Kieran, been a lot of fun. I think we've been a pretty good team. Just being out in the field, kind of doing the hands-on research, I've never been part of that before. It was a great experience. It came at a great time in my life. I think it kind of changed the direction of where I'd like to go as I continue my studies.
For students working as research assistants, it is an opportunity to build skills applicable to their program and chosen industry. They contribute to the research projects that make an impact within their community and are given the opportunity to grow their professional network. It's a fantastic way to get involved while studying at Humber. Anyone interested in getting involved with Humber Research and Innovation can visit our website at humber.ca/research to learn more.